Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and tomorrow I have a job for organization. I have to organize a kid's room, and I'm in Walmart trying to figure it out. Some options for the client. In the room, she have two twins, so I'm gonna suggest some things for her. First of all, the bed raising is a really good option to elevate the bed and put some containers under the bed. So as you see in the photo, you can leverage some space, and you can even put a shoe organizer under the bed that will look something like this. So I'm not gonna buy nothing, I'm just thinking about it, and I'm gonna suggest some things. There is another option, a shoe organizer to put under the bed. One thing that the kid has, he had a lot of toys. So I don't remember if he has flush animals, but this is another good option to buy. It's $5.24, and it's a pet net. It only holds up to 10 pounds, but it will give you some leverage in the space and some elevation. I consider that this shelf is $6.84, and it's a 5-shelf hanging organizing that you put it in the closet, and you have some space for clothes or shoes or some toys too. Another thing that I just saw that is cool is this play pad. It costs $9.83. And if your kid has a small toys or Lego parts, so all the Lego, all the toys can be inside, and you can zip it, and it will look something like this, and you just can put it on the corner. That's a really good option. If the kid has balls, baseball, basketball, Ziploc have big bags. 4X large big bags. It holds and it is stand, and you can zip it and you can put it in the garage. So come over Bed Bath & Beyond or Walmart, Target has so many things that you can buy to minimize the space, the blankets, toys, and organize a little bit your home, the kids' room. This is another option to stock some shoes. It's a smart Carousel organizer, and the cost is $14.88. I'm in Walmart. It spins, and it will hold many things. So check it out. You have options, and this new year you have the opportunity to organize your environment, your house, your closet, and have your life easier. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. If you need our help in cleaning or organizing, just contact us at 407-572-4118, and tomorrow I'm gonna post some photos. Thank you for watching. Bye.